How to make a cup of noodles in the microwave. Step 1. Pick up the cup of noodles from the table. Step 2. Peel off the lid all the way and throw the lid into the garbage and take out the powder package and leave it on the table. Step 3. Put the cup down and pick up your water bottle and open the cap. Step 5. Pour the water into the cup where it says the fill line. Step 6. Take the cap and screw it back on the water bottle and put the water bottle back on the table. Step 7. Then go open the microwave. Step 8. Pick up the cup of noodles and carefully walk over to the microwave. Put the cup of noodles in and close the microwave door. Set the timer for 3 minutes and then press start. Step 10. When the timer is done, open the microwave door and carefully take out the cup of noodles and put it back on the table and close the microwave door.
Step 11. Pick up the powder packet and put it into the cup of noodles. Step 12. Pick up the spoon and use it to mix the powder with the water.
All color? Okay. 3 times.
Step 12. Pick up your fork when
That's
you're.
okay, go ahead.
Step 13. Pick up your fork when you're ready to eat.